Adding and configuring black and white lists. Start by navigating to additional features, and then click on black/white lists. Next, click on the plus in the top right corner to start. Begin by setting a name for the list. In this guide, we are adding a blacklist for numbers that are no longer allowed to call us. Next, set a description to help identify the list you are currently adding, and progress to the final step to add the list. Now the list has been added, we need to add the numbers in we wish to block. Click on the name of the newly added list, and then click on the Numbers tab in the top right. In the next stage, you have the option to upload a CSV if you have multiple entries to add, or click the plus to add an individual entry. Begin by typing in the number you wish to block and click Next to confirm the entry. Once done, we now need to apply the newly created list to our inbound number. Navigate to Call Routing, and then click on Telephone Numbers. Next, click on the number you wish to apply the list to. Under Call Screening, change the list drop-down to our newly added block list and click Save to apply. Alternatively, you can convert this list to a whitelist of allowed callers by amending the action drop-down to Accept. You have now successfully created and applied a new blacklist for inbound calls. Please remember to subscribe, like, and turn notifications on for future uploads. For any queries or further assistance, please contact support via phone on 01603 90 40 90 or via email at support@voicehost.co.uk.